How to stop WhatsApp from saving pictures. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you've seen problem that WhatsApp saves whatever photos sent by other people to your phone's camera roll and your storage is full or other problems. In order to fix this, what you're going to do is first of all, launch the application on your device. Then, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three dot option. Click on it, then go to settings. After you go to settings, go to the option sets, which is right over here. After you're here, you can see the option which says media visibility. So newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. If you turn this off, then the photos or videos sent on WhatsApp will not be directly downloaded in your gallery. However, it will be downloaded in a separate file created by WhatsApp. So this is how you can stop WhatsApp from downloading the photos in your gallery. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.